Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Bartender. Today I'm going to show you how to make green berry mojito. Let's get started. Alright guys, first I'm going to put 2 slices of lime and we add some mint, a little bit of sugar syrup and muddle it. Muddle. Add some ice. Some mint, raspberry, again ice, bit of mint, raspberry, and we put rum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vodka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, soda. And here we go, green berry metal liquor. That's how we made it, green berry mojito. There we have. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys understand all the ingredients, and make sure subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Until the next time, see you guys.